Hi, these comments are for RD, and how are you today? And you're doing some integrated writing practice at my website, the online TOEFL course, 7-Step System to Pass the TOEFL IBT. And I see the essay here. I've read it. I'm looking at the integrated writing rubrics here, and I really believe this is a very well-written essay. I'm going to give you about 26 to 28 points out of 30 on this. Your introduction creates, I think it states the main points of the reading and the listening passage. Very nice grammar here. You have in the next paragraph, you discuss reading point 1 along with listening point 1. I like how you use the word however to kind of show the contrast at that key juncture in the paragraph in which you move from the reading to the listening passage. And guess what? You use a similar transition word here. I like how you're not using the same one, and you have reading point 2 with listening point 2. And then you have the final paragraph here, and you use on the other hand. Now, my only change here is we reach the final point of the argument, which connects to considering these curved balls as social I don't even think you need that. You can just say this, finally. And this is more parallel to what you did before. Notice how you said the first point, second point, and then finally, right? And I'm going to make just some small corrections in this one paragraph. You have that the carvings on the balls have, you want to put elaborate. You want to make this an adjective. There's no need for the ing here. Have elaborate designs to prove they might have been owned by high. I'm going to put high society people. I think it's a better way to say that. I'll change that. On the other hand, the lecture argues that some balls have simple, I'm going to get rid of very, doesn't do much, have simple carving patterns to be considered. I'll just put a social status. Also, high-ranking persons back then, you want to put were buried with their possessions. Not finding any of these curved stone balls in their tombs proves that this is the wrong theory. And let's do this. Let's put concludes the speaker or the lecturer as something like that. So we have that voice marker. So overall, it might be closer to 26 because there are some minor grammar errors in the different paragraphs, but overall, you got good control over your sentence structure, your word choice, your punctuation, and your organization, that sequencing type compare and contrast organization in which you juxtapose the reading and the listening points paragraph by paragraph is excellent. And you have a complete and accurate response based on the most important points from the information in the reading and the listening passage. So good job on that.